Howdy, my name is Noboru Matsuda. I'm an associate professor in TLAC. I'm a new faculty member at TLAC and only started to teach graduate course this semester. Currently, I'm teaching the class to learn how to design and prototype and implement and test an effective educational technology that you want to build. So in this course, you're gonna learn how to. It is called the human-centered design method to help you to understand how to design things in an effective way. You also learn how to prototype your ideas. You also learn Java programming to implement your education technology. This course will be offered every fall semester starting the fall of 2016. I'm also making a new course to learn and advanced the educational data mining methods. In this course, you will learn data analytic methods like prediction, classification, learning performance analysis, latent factor analysis, correlation, and text mining. Educational data mining provides you with skills to analyze data to understand how students learn. This course will be offered every spring starting spring of 2017. I'm also making another class for the spring of 2018. This class may be something related to adaptive learning technologies. So this class will be offered every spring semester, every other spring semester starting 2018. In general, I teach classes on the application of computer science for education and educational research. The graduate course classes has a tight connection to the state-of-art research that I do. I offer the course based on my research experience. I also like the communication with graduate students that often gives me insight into the future research. Generally speaking, I like to see a passion in research, and then I like to see a curiosity. I'm interested in application of computer science for education. I invent new technologies and I also integrate existing technologies to solve a real research questions about education. Educational technologies I develop help students learn, teachers teach, and also education researchers to understand how students learn. My current research is about an educational application of artificial intelligence that you can teach. Using this technology, which is often called teachable agent, we study how students learn by teaching. So we use this technology for students to teach. So they are learning how to solve problems while they are teaching computer agent. I am also interested in understanding how to build a computer tutor. This is called intelligent tutoring systems, or sometimes called cognitive tutors. So to build the model of teaching is to understand how the effective teaching look like. And then we also test this technology in the classroom. So I run the so-called in vivo studies, which means we go to schools, we stay there, and then we run study and then collect data to understand how students learn and then how the technology we invent works. The application of artificial intelligence for learning by teaching has been funded by National Science Foundation and also the US Department of Education. So I've been mentoring graduate students, master students, and also the undergraduate students so far. They come to my office during the semester, or they come to my place for the summer as a summer intern, and then we work together based on your interest and then your knowledge. We can always find a project for you, and then we work together to make some publications. It's always a very productive time to work together. In addition to the study on the learning by teaching, I am also leading an NSF-funded project to build the methods to develop the online course in a data-driven, evidence-based, iterative engineering fashion. So that means when you make an online course, at the beginning, you may not be so sure if the online course you built is effective. Once you use it with the real students, you have lots of data to analyze. So we have this technology to analyze the data to understand if the courseware you made is effective, or if it's not, which part of the course has trouble. So this is an application of educational data mining. So based on this data analytics, we provide feedback to the online course developers. So that's the currently ongoing NSS project. Of course, here again, the learning by teaching, the application of artificial intelligence is also currently ongoing. In addition to do that, these two projects, since I came here last summer, I also started a new collaboration to understand how to build an effective instructional manipulatives. So you remember your teachers, right? So may use some kind of physical manipulatives in the classroom, right? Some like cubic things you can rotate, maybe the sticks you can just put together, kind of stuff. So this kind of instructional manipulatives are well known to be very effective. Now we are curious, what if we can add some tangible computing technologies to these physical manipulatives. So now these physical manipulatives become the interactive manipulatives. So can you imagine these instructional manipulatives that can beep, that can vibrate, that can show something on its surface? And then you can do something and then it understands what you're doing, right? This kind of interaction. So this is more like a dream come true project. Nobody knows if this is the way to go or it's worth spending money, but we believe this is gonna open up a new door for the effective education. So that's the interactive instructional manipulatives project we are doing currently. Be curious and be persistent. When you come to the graduate program, you're gonna be a researcher. By definition, we researchers are solving problems that nobody knows the answer. So you may be lost, you may be frustrated, or you may be miserable because you don't know how to solve problems. Now, but if you love, and then if you are interested, and then if you have lots of curiosity about the problem you are solving, then you'll be okay. So it is very important to find a problem you really want to solve. And then once you get the problem, you're lucky. Now you just can be curious and then persistent so that you can survive maybe 5 or 6 years to find the answer for that question. So be curious and then be persistent, and then good luck.